This is for showing how I'm gonna try to overwinter those peppers. If you've got, the container, you got the soil level in the container, and the pepper is just going to be basically some stems there. Your ground level existing ground levels here. I'm going to get some rebar and drive it into the ground on each side. And this is just, there's rows, there's, several pots. This is just the end of one pot, or the end of one container. This will be a floating row cover basically. So then I'll get some PVC pipe and slide it over the rebar. That's PVC pipe. So this will formulate a tunnel that'll cover all of the containers. This will be a tunnel. Then I'll get some visqueen, which is plastic sheathing, go over that tunnel and out, and then I'll pile the mulch over the top of that. That'll pin that down. This will take the heat of the earth and keep this area from freezing, I hope. That's my plan. Whether it works or not, I don't know. I could end up, if I can get this tunnel short enough. I want this PVC to be as short as possible, as close as possible. I may even take my heat gun and heat the PVC to where it is basically at an extreme angle, So if I take, this part's got to be straight because it's going to go over the rebar, and it's got to come up high enough to get over my container. But then after that, I can heat this area right here and get that, down really close. The lower, I think, the lower this is, as long as it's covering that plant, I should be good to go. Keep this area as short as possible. I could, in theory, get a roll of this silverback insulation, the plastic stuff I use on my windows. I think it comes in 4-foot sections. So if I could keep this to 2 feet right here and put that over the top of the visqueen that's here, then that would be an insulating blanket. And that's going to be pretty tight though. 2 feet from here to there, 4 feet. Yeah, it's going to be pretty small. I don't know. I guess what my plan is. We'll see if it works or not though.